So similar to any other tool, Salesforce also has a recycle bin. Anything that you would delete goes into recycle bin. It stays in the recycle bin for up to 15 days and then it is deleted forever. So in case you need to recover something, you need to recover that in 15 days. So when you go into recycle bin, you have two options available. Either you can see my recycle bin, or because you are an administrator, you can also see org recycle bin. So my recycle bin shows you anything which you would have deleted. Org recycle bin would show you anything and everything which any of other users would have deleted in your Salesforce instance. You would see all that here, and being an administrator, you would have an option to restore that particular record or set of data, or permanently delete it. You can also empty the recycle bin as well. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.